Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Valentino model, VA3040, in color code 5110. It's a red color frame. On the temples here, we have a silver accent, as well as a temple tip over here. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple. These have a demo lenses with the Valentino logo stamped. The style of the frame is full rim cat eye. Up here we have a Valentino gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a manufacturer booklet, and a pouch.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.